Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Doom game. You got a BUGSPLAT error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you're using Steam, go to a library, right click on your game and go to the properties, click on installed files and click on the option browse. Now right over here, you will find an exe file with the name Doom the Dark Ages.exe. You need to right click on that exe file and choose option run as administrator. If you are using Xbox, launch the Xbox, go to a library. From here, you need to select your game, click on three dot icon, choose option manage. Under the files tab, click on the option browse. Here, open the game folder and you will find a folder with the name content. Right over here, you will find again exe file with the name Doom the Dark Ages. Do the same, right click and choose the option run as administrator. After running the game in the administrator mode, the issue of BUGSPLAT will be fixed out. However, if this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, you need to head over to settings menu and then in the settings menu from the left pane, click on the option system and choose option display. Now in the display, scroll down and click on the option graphics. Now click on change default graphics settings. Now over here, you will find an option of hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Go ahead and turn it off. After turning it off, right click on start menu and choose the option device manager. Now in device manager, you need to expand your display adapters. Now over here, first one is my integrated GPU and second one is my dedicated. So what you need to do is to right click on your integrated GPU and choose option disable device. At your end, either it is AMD Radeon or Intel SD graphics. So simply right click and choose the option disable device. After disabling the device, go ahead and relaunch the game and this will completely fix out the issue of BUGSPLAT error while launching the game Doom the Dark Ages. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.